Hey everyone, today we're diving into the delicious world of pad thai, a dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people all around the globe. You know, that iconic Thai noodle dish that's loved all over the world. It's more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's got that perfect balance of sweet, sour and savory, all wrapped up in chewy rice noodles and crunchy toppings. Each bite is a burst of flavor. Pad thai is like the national dish of Thailand, representing the essence of Thai cuisine. It's not just food, it's part of our culture and history, a symbol of our culinary heritage. Street vendors cook it up fresh all over Thailand, filling the air with its irresistible aroma. You'll find it everywhere, from bustling city streets to quiet countryside markets, each with its own unique twist. But what makes pad thai so special? It's the combination of fresh ingredients and traditional techniques. It's the amazing blend of flavors and textures that dance on your tongue, creating a symphony of taste. The sweet comes from tamarind, a tangy fruit that adds depth to the dish. The sour is from lime juice, adding a refreshing zing that brightens up the flavors. And the savory, that comes from fish sauce, a staple in Thai cooking that brings umami richness. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we explore the magic of pad thai together. Let's embark on this flavorful journey. Alright, are you ready to cook up some pad thai? Let's gather the ingredients. Don't worry, they're all easy to find. First up, the star of the show, rice noodles. These flat noodles soak up all the delicious sauce. Next, we need protein. Chicken, shrimp, tofu, take your pick. Then comes the flavor-based tamarind paste for tanginess, fish sauce for that savory depth, and palm sugar for a hint of sweetness. We'll also need some garlic, shallots, and chilies for that aromatic kick. Don't forget eggs for extra richness, bean sprouts and chives for crunch, and roasted peanuts for a nutty finish. And of course, fresh lime wedges are a must for that final burst of citrusy goodness. See, simple ingredients that come together to create something truly extraordinary. Now for the fun part, cooking. Let's dive into this delicious and easy pad thai recipe that will make you feel like a Thai chef in no time. This easy pad thai recipe will make you feel like a Thai chef in no time. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to whip up a dish that's bursting with flavor. First things first, prepare your ingredients. Having everything ready before you start cooking will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Soak the rice noodles in warm water until they're soft and pliable. This usually takes about 20-30 minutes, so be patient. While the noodles are soaking, chop your protein, mince the garlic and shallots, and slice the chilies. These fresh ingredients will add a burst of flavor to your pad thai. Get everything ready so you can cook without any interruptions. Having all your ingredients prepped and within reach is key to a smooth cooking experience. Time to fire up the wok. Make sure it's nice and hot before you start cooking. Heat some oil over medium-high heat. You want the oil to be hot enough to cook the ingredients quickly. Toss in the garlic, shallots and chilies and stir fry until fragrant. This will only take a minute or two, so keep an eye on it. Add your protein and cook until it's golden brown and cooked through. This step ensures that your protein is flavorful and tender. Now, push the ingredients to one side of the wok. This creates space for the eggs. Crack in the eggs and scramble them lightly. The eggs add a wonderful texture to the dish. Once they're almost set, mix them with the other ingredients. It's sauce time. This is where the magic happens. In a small bowl, whisk together the tamarind paste, fish sauce and palm sugar until the sugar dissolves. This sauce is the heart of pad thai. Pour the sauce into the wok and let it bubble for a minute. This helps the flavors meld together beautifully. Add the noodles to the wok and toss everything together until the noodles are coated in the sauce. Make sure every strand is covered. Add the bean sprouts and chives and stir fry for a minute more. These fresh ingredients add a nice crunch and color. Turn off the heat and serve your pad thai immediately. It's best enjoyed hot and fresh. Garnish with roasted peanuts, a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like it spicy, and a generous wedge of lime. These final touches elevate the dish. Congratulations, you've just made pad thai. Enjoy your delicious creation and share it with friends and family. Section 4, Pad Thai Pro Tips. Avoiding common mistakes. Making pad thai is easy, but a few tips can take your dish from good to amazing. First, don't overcook the noodles. Soggy noodles are a no-no. Remember, they'll continue to cook a bit in the sauce's heat. Second, taste your sauce before adding it to the wok. You can adjust the sweetness, sourness, and saltiness to your liking. Third, don't be afraid to add more chilies if you like it hot. Pad Thai is all about balancing flavors, and spice is a big part of that. And lastly, always use fresh ingredients for the best flavor, especially the lime juice. It makes a world of difference. Follow these tips, and you'll be impressing everyone with your Pad Thai skills in no time. Section 5. Beyond the basics, exploring regional Pad Thai. Now that you've mastered the classic Pad Thai, let's explore some regional variations. Just like every family has their own recipe, every region in Thailand has its own twist on Pad Thai. In the south, they like their Pad Thai extra spicy and often add fresh turmeric for a vibrant yellow color. In the north, you might find Pad Thai with a slightly sweeter sauce and topped with crispy pork crackling. And then there's Pad Thai Ho Kai, a popular street food variation where the Pad Thai is wrapped in a thin omelette. It's like a Pad Thai burrito. Each variation is unique and delicious in its own way. So don't be afraid to experiment and try different versions of Pad Thai. Section 6. Fun facts about Pad Thai history on a plate. Did you know that Pad Thai hasn't always been a part of Thai cuisine? It's a dish with a surprisingly modern origin. It's actually a relatively recent dish, believed to have been introduced to Thailand by Chinese traders in the 1930s. These traders brought with them their culinary traditions, which included stir-frying noodles. Back then, it was a simple dish of noodles stir-fried with whatever ingredients were available. This made it a versatile and practical meal for many. But during World War II, rice became scarce, and the Thai government promoted Pad Thai as a way to boost noodle consumption. This was part of a larger effort to reduce rice consumption and promote national unity. They even held cooking competitions to find the best Pad Thai recipe. These competitions helped to popularize the dish and refine its flavors, and that's how this humble dish became a national favorite. It quickly spread across the country and became a staple in Thai households. Today, Pad Thai is a symbol of Thai culture and a testament to the country's culinary creativity. It represents the blending of different cultural influences and the resilience of the Thai people. It's a reminder that even the simplest dishes can have a fascinating history and cultural significance. Pad Thai's journey from a practical wartime meal to a beloved national dish is truly remarkable. Section 7. Ready, set, cook, bringing Thailand to your kitchen, one dish at a time. So, there you have it. The wonderful world of Pad Thai. We've covered everything from its history and cultural significance to its essential ingredients and cooking tips. Now it's your turn to experience the magic of Pad Thai firsthand. Gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and get cooking. Trust me, once you taste those sweet, sour, and savory flavors, combined with the chewy noodles and crunchy toppings, you'll understand why Pad Thai is one of the most beloved dishes in the world. Happy cooking and enjoy your taste of Thailand right from your own kitchen.